The adoption of Industry 4.0 has revolutionized manufacturing by integrating advanced technologies, enhancing productivity, and product quality. In this video, we highlight the Rotary Table Workstation, feeding, quality control, and assembly, dimensional study, AE-PLC-MR1, designed by EDIBON. Ideal for researching and understanding automatic rotary tables equipped with integrated feeding, quality control, and assembly systems. The station is designed as a modular system to facilitate understanding of the equipment. The main components are the PLC, composed of a PLC CPU and all additional modules necessary for the proper operation of the station. The control panel, featuring a start/stop button, emergency stop switch, reset button, indicator lights to display the current process status, etc. The pneumatic circuit, containing solenoid valves, pressure components, filters, and regulators necessary to ensure proper equipment operation. The station, comprised of real industrial components used by rotary table systems such as reed sensors, presence sensors, DC motor, inductive sensors, an 8-position rotary table, etc. The PLC installed and programmed by EDIBON provides complete control of the unit, serving as an essential tool in industrial automation learning. Its versatility and control capability are crucial for understanding real industrial environments. The PLC included in this equipment offers a wide range of benefits for students and professors alike. Being highly configurable and adaptable to various educational needs. Additionally, it provides the opportunity to learn PLC programming, allowing students to view and reproduce the programmed code directly on the unit. As you can see, the unit is equipped with a feeder system which provides input parts using a pneumatic actuator, presence sensors to detect the part, rotary system for moving parts, vacuum technology to pick parts up, height sensor to detect the different dimensions of the part, 2-axis gantry, PLC that automates the process, control panel with security mushroom, stop switch, start buttons, manual and automatic switch, 3 baskets to deposit parts, signal tower with green, yellow, and red lights. This rotary table provides a comprehensive learning experience. Students explore key concepts, from manufacturing flexibility to pneumatic automation. Through sensor studies, they grasp how to detect and respond to various industrial conditions. They configure pneumatic applications, honing practical skills. With manual and automatic control of the handling system, they learn to efficiently manage material flow. Parameter modification and process time optimization offer a deep insight into operational effectiveness. Moreover, analyzing inserted faults prepares them to tackle real-world industry challenges. With our rotary table, students engage in practical, relevant learning, priming them for success in the fields of engineering and industrial automation. This workstation has been meticulously designed to operate either independently or in collaboration with other workstations. Aiming to form a complete flexible manufacturing system, feel free to reach out to us regarding all available options and potential combinations. All our equipment is completely safe and can have expansions added in the future if you wish to include additional features. Thank you for watching. We hope it has been helpful. See you in the next EDIBON video.